Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and today I wanted to just show you this awesome lap table I just bought on Amazon. It has some cool features about it. Let me show you here. You might see my kitty, he's in my lap right there. But as you can see, it's got these folding legs. It's 10.6 inches from the bottom here up to the top surface of the desk, and they just fold in when you want to put it away. And some of the neat features about it is you can see right here kind of the slots here. This actually has a book stand, and I'll show you that in a minute. I've got some stuff that I'm using right now on it, but on this other side it's got this drawer. I'm not sure what the point of this cable is, but it might just be there to give it more support. I don't know, but it came all put together. I didn't have to put it together at all, which is awesome. Another feature about it is it's super wide and long. Okay, so it's 25.6 inches wide. As you can see here, it's got this nice indent, so you can have it all the way up to your body, and it goes all the way across. Yeah. Let me see if I can pull you out just a little bit more. There we go. So yeah, you can see how big that is. That's super wide. And the length, oh my gosh, it is much longer than my normal one. So I'm going to start using this for filming. It's 19.3 inches this way. I mean, my hand I can barely reach the other side of it. And here we've got a tablet holder or whatever you want to stick in there. So, this is great for, for me doing my filming. It would be good for, someone who doesn't mind diamond painting flat. I personally need a tilted one, so I still use my tilted tray table for diamond painting, but I'm using this for filming. Now let me show you the stand that comes with it. Here is this book stand that just slides in. As you can see here, it's got rubberized feet for the back, and it's got rubberized right here, so whatever surface it's sitting on, it's not going to scratch. And it's got the little hooks up here in front to hold your book, which it was awesome for me because I'm always having to try and find the page I'm on and do some flipping around when I'm doing my videos. So this works perfect to hold it open. I have it set over here on the side, and it just works. It's one of the simplest things, but it's not something I would have thought to buy for myself, and I didn't realize it actually came with it. I just discovered it when I pulled it out. But you just fold it up like that, and then you snap these back down, and then you just slide it into the side, and it clips in. So I just wanted to show this because I will be doing videos, and you will be seeing this a lot, and I know some people may be asking about it. Right now, see, the normal price for this table is $79.95. If you're a Prime member, you can get it for $69.95. And right now they have a coupon for $20 off, so you can get this for $49.95. And I was lucky, and I had it on my wish list for a long time, and so a lightning deal showed up, so I got a notification saying, hey, something on your wish list we're having a lightning deal on it, and I clicked on it, and I got an extra $10 off because it was a lightning deal. So I paid $40 for this, which is actually just around the same price as my tilting lap table that I use for diamond painting. And it's well worth it. It's nice and sturdy, it's thick, it's heavy, and if you're looking for a bigger lap table for you to diamond paint on, this could be your answer. You may possibly even be able to use this stand here for some smaller diamond paintings. I'm not sure. I haven't tried diamond painting on this, but if you have a smaller easel or stand, you might be able to use that on top of this table. If you are looking for something that you want for your couch or your bed or somewhere flat. I'm in a recliner, so that's why, you know, I could probably diamond paint on this if it was something close up with it, with needing to tilt, because I could probably tilt it, you know, a little bit, but it would have to be anchored to the table itself and not to, the diamond painting would have to be anchored to the table, not to a stand or something like this, because that would work for me. I could diamond paint at an angle because I just tilted it towards me a little bit. And this is so big that it will fit most diamond paintings. And I said most because I do know there are some huge ones out there, and I do own a lot of them. So yeah, let me know what you think of this table. Is this something you've been looking for? Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you use my link down below, you know, it won't cost you anything more, but it will actually help me a little bit because I get a small portion of the sale. But if you want to not use my link, you can use whatever link you want, but it does help my channel to be able to purchase more things like this so that I can show you in case it's something you may be thinking of buying or looking for in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, you know, all that good stuff, and share this video if you know somebody who is looking for something like this. I hope to see you in my next one. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.